Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. If this is the first time you've watched any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So, real quick, what I'm about ready to show you guys, this is just 3 stocks that I see potential for them to break out over the next couple days for a swing trade. Now, in no way am I telling you to buy these stocks. I'm just, kind of showing you what I see. So, if you're interested in it, just keep an eye on these stocks and just see how it goes. So, the first stock, ticker ESV. So, right here, I'm using Bollinger Bands, and as you can see, it breaks across this top one. So, this one I'm kind of expecting it to go roughly, probably I say 2, 3, 4 days, somewhere in there. The next one, ticker ECA. Same thing, it breaks across this top line for the Bollinger Bands. This mouth winds open. So again, another short-term swing trade, in my opinion. And the last one, ticker NE. Now, this one, I'm about 80% sure that there's probably going to be a breakout. If any of them out of these 3 fell, it will be this one. But, the mouth winds open right here, and it breaks across this top line. So I'm expecting probably a 2-day swing trade on this one. So that's what I see in a potential breakout for the next few days in this short-term swing trade. Again, in no way am I saying to buy these stocks. I'm just kind of pointing some things out that maybe you want to keep your eye on. So I appreciate it. Again, my name is James Mason, and I'll see you in the next video.